So at the time, I don't even think that I realized that I was overtrading. In fact, back then, I think that my mindset was, oh, I'm just testing a lot of different things, trying to, I would learn something, try to start testing it immediately, then jump to something else, all the classic mistakes that traders make. System hopping, overtrading, revenge trades, all those things. Yeah, I'm guilty of all that stuff earlier on. And the way that I finally stopped overtrading was when it became so painful looking at my account continuing to go down where just nothing was working. It's just all right, I could either keep doing what I'm doing or something's got to change because pretty soon I'm not going to be able to trade at all because I'm out of money. Right? And that's not the path that I would recommend to anybody, right? A lot of traders fall into that where it just kind of hits you on the side of the head. It's just hey, either you change or you're just going to continue running yourself into the ground. And that was me at one point. So how did I dig myself out of that hole? Well, it came from changing my environment. Right? Well, when I think about it, it came from changing my environment. And what I mean by it was I was reading the books, trying to learn trading on my own, and I was doing it on my own. So I didn't have a coach or a mentor or anybody trying to guide me. I just thought that anybody that's coaching trading, why the hell would they want to be a coach, right? They should be out making their own money, right? Why not just give money or give advice away for free, right? I was just very untrusting of anyone at that point. So I was trying to do it on my own, and that's why I had the kind of results that I had. I didn't realize that trading is a profession. Trading is a business. And when I think of it, would I just read some textbooks and try to be a doctor, or just read some textbooks and try to be an auto mechanic? No, they have apprenticeships. If you're a doctor, you're going to go through an entire residency for several years before you get all of your licenses. But for trading, the only thing that you need to do is just find a broker, send them a little bit of information. Nowadays, you don't even have to send them any money. They'll just create the account for you, fund it with whatever you want, and you're good to go. So how hard could trading possibly be, right? That was what I thought back then too. So after I finally bombed and was in that hole, eventually found groups, right? And when I finally found groups, and the first group that I found was this group called the New York City Investors Business Daily Meetup, and I found other traders in that group. Some of them were trading full time. There was a hedge fund manager in there that was volunteering their effort, and I started to learn what they were doing and how they were doing things. They were journaling their trades, and and it was the types of things that they would keep track of. So they would keep track of the health of the market. They would keep track of things like distribution days. How long has the market been above its 50-day moving average, above its 21-day exponential moving average? Or why are those things even important? What does the price action look like? Well, what types of stocks are setting up? All those kinds of things, and not just doing the routine week after week, but actually taking the time to write it down and track it and analyze that data, and then look at their own stocks in their portfolio and how are those things performing. Great ideas. I started to adopt those ideas, right? Because when we're in a space with great environment, with great people that are achieving the things that we want to achieve, naturally, we're going to start to mirror some of those qualities. So my performance started to improve, and that's how I started to overcome overtrading. So if part of the advice to you, if you are somebody that is over trading, change your environment. Get some people around you that are good traders, that have proven, that are giving value. Make them a part of your environment, and then you'll start to adopt some of their tendencies too.